Yeah, firefighters were trying. By all means, but it was very hard. Yes, it was very hard. And they hired a TLP so that they can maybe try to vandalize the wall so that they can put water inside. But still, fire didn't stop. By the way, this is Bazwana Jock Morrison, KwaZulu Natal, South Africa. It's Umhlaba Lingani districts. It happened today around 26. Yes. Is the problem, or is the electricity problem? This load shedding. So we don't know where that it triggered, but it triggered somewhere. Then the fire starts. This is Umhlaba Lingani municipality firefighters. Yes, do you see the flames there? Yeah. It's just too much. This building almost accommodates 3 stores. It's Jock Morrison, the grocery store, and the Dance, the clothing store, with Capitec Bank. Yes, we don't have Capitec Bank right now. We don't have Dance. We don't have Jock Morrison. The TLP is trying. You will see. Yeah. So this is how it goes. Yeah, many people escaped. They were scared, but eventually things went out.
Petrol